Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. My name is Dee Dee. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. And if you are returning, welcome back. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys today in this little tiny box my Juvia'S Place mystery box. They did a mystery box for March, and I believe it's 3 products. It did retail for $18. I did have to pay shipping, but I did have a coupon code, gave me a few dollars. Unfortunately, when they sent me my tracking number, they did also show me what I was getting, unfortunately. I kind of know what I'm getting. I haven't seen them like in person, but I kind of know. The March mystery box, if it is still available, I will link it down below for you guys. And if I can find a coupon code, I will also put that down below for you guys as well. And I got $1.80 off of the full purchase. Like I said, it was $18, but the way they have it broken down on here is individual. I did notice once I seen what I was actually getting, I went on the website to see what the prices are of them. And I know one thing was full price originally on the website. The other 2 were on sale currently. I'll tell you what they valued them at here on top of the box to equal it out. I did pay $3.58 in shipping, which is not too bad in all honesty. But let's just go ahead and show you the products that I got. I want to do a lot more giveaways on my channel. I have so much products and so much things that I pick up here and there from TJ Maxx, from all kinds of different places when I find them at great deals, and I pick them up just for giveaways. Like I told you guys before, over to my side over here where I have storage, I have a ton of bins full of giveaway products, gifting products, and it ranges from affordable drugstore to high-end. I buy all because it's stuff that I enjoy and I love, and so I buy it for you guys and have it as my stash so that I can give it to you guys whenever I feel like doing a giveaway. And so this video is going to go up today as well. I will be uploading the winner. I don't know which one will go up first, but I will be uploading the winner of my Ofra mystery box, which I did show you the products, but it is their mystery box. And so Monday I will be doing another giveaway. That is the one that I told you guys for the Glam Light pizza palette with a lot of other goodies. And I told you guys I'm not going to show those goodies. I want them to be a surprise for the winner. But I'm also considering, as I told you on my community tab, follow on my community tab, because I do upload different things on there as well. And it tells you information that I'm going to be doing and things like that. But on there I did mention that I'm thinking about doing 2 winners for this next giveaway instead of 1, because I'm going to be hitting a milestone. So if you are subscribed, definitely would love and appreciate you to stay subscribed, because like I said, I'm going to be doing some random giveaways. I did a random one on my Dollar Tree haul. I didn't announce it or anything, but the first person that watched my Dollar Tree haul, I did a mystery giveaway, and I just sent her out the box today, and I just wanted to bless her and send her because she was the first one. And I want to do things like that on my channel, just mystery giveaways. So if you're not subscribed, then you will miss that opportunity. But I want to give back to you guys. I love to bless. I recently did that mystery giveaway as well. I did the mystery box, and then I did that video on my Dollar Tree, my recent Dollar Tree haul. I didn't announce that I was doing a giveaway, but I told myself the first person to watch will win something. And the first person that did watch, I notified her, and she's like, no. And but I did want to go ahead and do that because that was my decision to do that. So anyways, I got that mailed out to her today, and I'm super excited. And I will put who that winner was here. And I just want to say to her, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support, and I want to do many more like that. So that's why I'm letting you guys know, definitely don't unsubscribe if you don't win this mystery box or the next one, because I'm going to be doing a ton more giveaways on my channel. I have plenty of stuff that I can give away. Plus I want to do random things like gift cards for maybe Dollar Tree, a gift card for Ulta. I have so many ideas. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely don't unsubscribe just because you didn't win one of the recent giveaways, because I will have many more coming. And obviously, if you don't enjoy my content, Definitely, you're not obligated to stay. But if you do enjoy it, I would appreciate it. If you did stay, if you watch and you support, it means so much to me. I'm just so grateful to even have my channel. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys that support me, that watch, that comment. It is just so appreciated. So with all that being said, because that's not what this video was about, let me go ahead and show you real quick what I got in this March mystery box from Juvia'S place. So the first thing that I received is the Allure Volume 1. That is what it looks like. Such beautiful packaging. I really do enjoy their packaging. It says, embrace your beauty. Allure means queen in the Yoruba language, which is spoken by the Yoruba tribe in Nigeria, West Africa. Indulge and be intrigued in your Queen series, which holds 6 highly pigmented shades that will take your look to the next level. So let's see what she looks like. You guys know that I really like their products. They're very, very pigmented, super pretty. And I actually have a couple other Juvia'S Place products from previous hauls and previous boxes that I have in my giveaway area that I could still do a Juvia'S Place mystery box. Not mystery box, kind of like a mystery box for you guys. Yes, I won't tell you what it is, but I'll just tell you that you're winning a Juvia'S Place mystery box, and I have plenty of items that I can put in that box to do my own mystery box. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing mystery box giveaways where you're not even going to know what's in it, but it's going to be great stuff. So let's get back to this because I can go on and on about that. Okay, it does not have a mirror. The pan sizes are a lot bigger than I thought they would be. This is such a beautiful palette. It has your blues and a little bit of your browns. I can definitely get a great look out of this palette. Super beautiful. I have wanted one of the Allure palettes. I believe it was the one that's more on the pinky side, but I'm glad that I got this. Really, really pretty. And it's saying here that they charged $6.42 for that palette. I think it's on sale right now for $6 or $7. I think $7. So that's not bad at all. $7 for this palette is a really good steal, and that's full price. So that is great so far. The next thing they sent me is the Newbie and Glow Lip Balm in Guava, and that is what that looks like. I did see this was on sale as well on the website. They did charge me on here $5.14, and I think it's on sale for $6 if I remember correctly. That's a steal in my opinion. I love their lip balms. I got one in another mystery box, and the actual stick one, and I've already completed that. I used it all already. This is the squeezy tube kind, which I do like as well. That is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. We're just going to try some because my lips are super dry. Okay, it has a little bit of a tint to it. Well, it does have the guava scent, so if you don't like that, then you may not like this, but I like it. It doesn't bother me. Really, really nice. I like that. Very nice. I do love their lip balms. I really enjoy those. And then the last thing that they sent me, and they charged me for it, $6.42. I do know this is regular price online right now. I believe it's $20. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2. I think I have Volume 3 already. And I really do. It's such a beautiful pigmented highlighter. Let's see what this one looks like. So this one is not going to probably work for my skin tone. I saw it online and I thought that it would. It's a little bit darker. So I may save this aside for a giveaway. I wish it has a little mirror. I really wish it was a little bit lighter. I thought it was going to. It would be beautiful like to put on the eyes as like an eyeshadow and all of that. But I definitely don't want to use it for that. I feel like it would be kind of a waste because I don't feel that I would pull for it a whole lot. But it's absolutely gorgeous. One is the super tan or darker one. And then it goes 2 and 3, and I have, let me grab my 3 so I can show you. So this is my highlighter volume 3. and you could see that I do enjoy it. You could see it's been shown love. It's almost coming off the name Juvia, but this is the difference. So yeah, this one's definitely more my skin tone shade versus that one. So although I think it's absolutely beautiful, I'm not going to keep it because it's going to be too dark for my skin tone, and this can definitely go in one of those mystery giveaway boxes. Okay with that. I got 2 out of the 3 products. I'm definitely okay with that. I think that it was still worth it. I think that for $18, you definitely can't beat that. So again, I got this for $6.42. The highlighter for $6.42, which I think are worth it because this originally is $20, like I said. This is currently on sale for $7 from what I remember. And then the lip balm right there is on sale as well, so I'm fine with that. Perfectly fine. I don't have any of these products except for this highlighter, and I'm okay with just having this one and not having that one, because then I can give one of you guys that. So that is everything that I got in this March mystery box from Juvia'S Place. Like I stated at the beginning of the video, I will link it down below if it's still available. Any discount codes that I can find for you guys, I will also link that down below. When all was said and done, I paid a total of $21.21, which included my tax and my shipping, and I think that's a great deal in my own opinion. So I'm happy with this. You guys know I recently got a mystery box from Ofra, and I was not happy with it. It was very high priced, and yeah, but this one I'm very happy with and glad to have. So this is going to complete this video for today. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it or you enjoy these types of videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also remember, like I said, I will have many more giveaways coming up on my channel, so stay tuned. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any video ideas, any palettes that you would like me to do a look with, anything like that. Just let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. Any suggestions, anything like that. So this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.